Introduction to Deep Learning Engineering.
Deep learning engineers build and deploy advanced artificial intelligence models, powering innovations in fields like computer vision, natural language processing, and robotics. This roadmap covers the key steps, essential skills, and top learning resources to help you launch your career as a deep learning engineer in 2024.
Step 1. Master the fundamentals.
Start with a strong foundation in mathematics and programming. Focus on linear algebra, calculus, probability, and statistics. Learn Python as it's the primary language for deep learning. Free online courses and textbooks are widely available for brushing up on these fundamentals.
Step 2. Learn machine learning basics.
Before deep learning, understand the core concepts of machine learning. Topics include supervised and unsupervised learning, overfitting, model evaluation, and feature engineering. Courses like Andrew Ng's Machine Learning on Coursera or Fast.ai's Beginner Tracks are excellent starting points.
Step 3. Dive into deep learning concepts.
Explore neural networks, activation functions, optimization methods, and architectures like convolutional and recurrent networks. Study frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch, which are essential for model development. Consider courses from deeplearning.ai and hands-on tutorials to build real-world projects.
Step 4. Build and showcase projects.
Apply your skills by working on real projects. Implement image classification, language models, or generative models. Use datasets from platforms like Kaggle. Sharing projects on GitHub demonstrates your abilities to employers and helps you develop a professional portfolio.
Step 5. Keep learning and network.
Stay current by following research papers, joining online communities, and participating in competitions. Attend webinars, workshops, and meetups to connect with other professionals. Continuous learning is key in the rapidly evolving world of deep learning.
Final thoughts. Your deep learning journey.
Becoming a deep learning engineer takes dedication and curiosity. By mastering the fundamentals, building projects, and engaging with the community, you can unlock exciting career opportunities in AI. Start your journey today and help shape the future of technology.